How to enable or disable use trusted places for extend unlock on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD. After that, tap on extend unlock. Then enter the current PIN or password and tap on the continue button. After that, tap on trusted places. In here, tap on use trusted places for extend unlock. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. After that, you can tap on trusted places and then enter in the current PIN, then tap on continued. And from here, you can add in more trusted places. So tap on the add button and then you can choose it from a map. So you can use a map and choose a location, or you can manually enter in the address. So here we can put in tree pass briquette Paris, France. We can tap on that and then tap on add. So here we can tap on the add button to add in, and that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.